Good morning to all. So now we will discuss related to different parts of a lathe machine. So as you know, lathe machine is a very important machine tool in mechanical related fields. And the use of lathe machine is to produce different types of cylindrical shaped jobs. Because here you will fix the raw material, huh? And it is known as chalk. It is chalk, and you can rotate this chalk in both clockwise and anti-clockwise. So it is the major part of a lathe machine. It is also known as the work holding device for lathe machine. And this chalk is connected with the headstock. This entire side is known as headstock, and headstock has a spindle. Exactly, this chalk is mounted on the spindle, and that spindle is indirectly connected with electric motor through some mechanical related drive mechanisms. Then next part is, it is tailstock. It is the right hand side of lathe machine. It is known as tailstock, and this tailstock is mounted on the bed of lathe machine. It is the bed of lathe machine. This is bed. It's a one type of V-shaped bed. Then next vital part is this one. It's a movable part. This part's name is carriage, and this carriage has to and fro motion, or you can say reciprocating motion. You can move this carriage either from right to left or left to right. And this carriage has, again, it has 5 soft parts. The first one is tool post, then compound slide. Below that compound slide it is cross slide. Then this top part is known as saddle, and this front part is known as apron. It has 5 numbers of soft parts. So generally, tool post, it is tool post. The function of tool post is to hold these single point cutting tools. Then compound slide, this one. Compound slide, generally this sliding mechanism is used during taper turning operation. Suppose you want to prepare an angular surface on a cylindrical rod, then you have several options related to taper turning. So it is one of the options. Compound slide set over method. Through this method also you can make your surface tapered. Then next one is cross slide. This is the cross slide. You can move your cutting tool crosswise through this cross slide's hand wheel. Then saddle. This one is saddle. Above this saddle, tool post, compound slide and cross slide. All these 3 parts are installed. Then